To perform a backup on Realme 16 Pro 5G, first of all, you will need to open settings on your device. Next step is to scroll all the way down and then we can enter system and update. Go to backup and reset, and then you will have basically two options to perform a backup. First option is a local backup, which means you will store all of the files locally on your phone. And the second option is Google Backup, which means you'll be able to back up your entire phone on the cloud in Google. So pick whichever option you like. I would recommend to honestly go for a Google account, especially if you're planning on using Android devices only. So if you select this option, you can turn it on right here, and then you can select which things you want to back up. Click on confirm, and then you'll be able to back up your phone using a Google Cloud. So that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.